been watching this stuff for some time, and I'm seeing that some of it changes to not necessarily reflect some of the energy patterns that we're seeing. But there's something really interesting about these. This one here, these last two here, there's going to be a blip up here that seems to send energy down to that rotation, and then a blip appears and sends energy to that rotation. Are these some kind of aircraft that the energy highlights them, broadcasting the signal into these rotations? Because it's just getting absolutely ridiculous anymore, and this stuff has been going on for a while. I just haven't ever bothered to say anything about it. And there's been a slowdown on some of these beams coming out of Antarctica and everywhere else. So I'm just curious if they've got some of their technology mounted in aircraft. And some of these beams aren't spread across the globe, they're more centrally located. But usually at the end of the cycle is when some of the white imagery would appear. But these things actually look like there's some kind of craft that's affected by the energy it's releasing and comes into frame and blinks off, and you can see the changes in the rotation after it happens. So do we have aircraft now flying around doing this? Are these American aircraft doing this? The international waters? Are these Russian or Chinese aircraft sending these hurricanes our way? I'm finding some of this kind of interesting. Nothing's impossible anymore, so it's not an unreasonable expectation to think there'd be other forms and methods of doing this.